Hello and welcome to my page, Love What You Do with Sarah Grinnell. I just want to thank you all for the get well wishes. I am feeling a lot better. I'm not 100% yet, but I am feeling a lot better. So thank you very much for all your wishes. Tonight I am going to be talking about becoming a people magnet and exploring the name of your Facebook group or your fan page to make sure it's perfectly clear who your audience is, who your target is and what it does for your followers. Alright, this is really crucial to attracting the right kind of person. You need clarity as who it is that you serve and what you do and what the pain point or the problem is, the obstacles that they're experiencing that you can solve, you as the administrator or as the person behind the group, what you can solve. Alright, so okay, let me know where you're watching from and who you are so I can give you a shout out and say hello. Right, so you need to think about the person who is in the same business as you or doing something very similar, but they may be just that little bit further on, just that little step further than where you are. If you have a person in mind, fantastic. If not, try and search and try and find somebody that is very similar to what you're doing. Alright, if you found somebody or you know somebody, great. Check out to see if they've got a Facebook fan page or a group page or whatever. If they do, go over and take a look at it. Not right now, wait until after this live's finished, but go and take a look at it. So firstly, what is the name of their group? Write it down so you don't forget it. And secondly, when you go to a group and invite yourself, there's usually some qualifiers, some questions. So if you do join that group that the person is just a little bit ahead of you, write down what their qualifiers are. Like I said, this is for a closed group. It's not for a public group. This is a closed group. So I have a closed group for my business, and anyone who wishes to join it has to answer 3 questions related to my business. Now, as you're the administrator of your group and you set up 3 questions, you may set up 1, 2 questions. It doesn't matter how many you set up. But if they don't answer those questions, then it is entirely up to you whether you let them join your group or not. The main reason for them joining your group is that they want something that you've got. So in my eyes, if anybody didn't answer all the questions, they don't join. Right? One of my questions is leave your email address, and in doing so you will get a voucher off your first purchase. That way you're building up your email list at the same time, which is a great idea. And then I've got 2 other questions related to the business, which again makes me understand the person know and their pain points and what it is that they need. Okay, so that's for a closed group. With a fan page or a business page, it's a little bit different. However, you can go into the about information page and get an idea of whether that group is for you, whether it resonates and attracts you to like that page. So they're just a little bit different. Alright, so you've got your group page and you've got your fan page. Your group page is closed, your fan page is open to the public. So are these 2 factors very clear? If they are, just drop me a 1 down below in the comments. Right, so the name of your group or your fan page. Now, there's 3 perspectives you can take. Number 1 is the name of your group can identify with your ideal client. for example, there's a lot of people that target mums and entrepreneurs, so they call it a mumpreneur. Yeah? That term is very, very specific who the page is targeting. So obviously, men are not going to want to join, alright? They're not going to want to follow that group. So it's making it very, very clear. So mumpreneur, for example. The second perspective is it can be identifying the pain point of your ideal client. So either an issue or an obstacle that you, as the expert of the group, can solve. So I'm going to give you another example here. So let's say you run a Facebook ads agency as your business, all right? So the name of your group has to definitely reference Facebook ads. So if the main point or obstacle that your ideal client, your ideal audience are overwhelmed with is they don't know where to start, they don't know the metrics, they don't know how to put a picture on, all the ins and outs of actually doing a Facebook advert, then your name of your group could just be Facebook Ads Made Simple. It's clear, it's easy, and it's straight to the point who it's for. Alright, so it's for somebody who's struggling on how to do a Facebook ad. Now the third perspective is you're branding yourself. Alright, you're the expert, so you could just have your name with a tagline addressing who your ideal client is. For example, this fan page now that I'm on, it is Love What You Do with Sarah Grinnell, and then I have a little paragraph in my cover photo which says helping new or struggling network marketers using powerful online strategies to build a successful business so you can love what you do. So it's targeting the audience and the pain point. So it's the audience is struggling or new network marketers, and the pain point is to build a successful business. All right. So you've just got to remember who your ideal client is with the pain points, so it identifies with them. So going back to the Facebook ads agency, so if you're, for example, helping people to scale their business quickly and to create an amazing passive income stream, but you're doing that through Facebook ads, the actual pain point is not the passive income. The actual it's that they're struggling with what they need to figure out in order to facilitate the change. So it's the actual ads that they're struggling with. If they learn how to do the ads, then they can make that change, and then the passive income will come. Alright, so you need to attract the ideal person and identify with their specific pain point to make the change, but they're not exactly sure how they do this, so you're helping them. Alright, so that is the need, the pain and the obstacle that is preventing their business from growing, and the function of your group or your page. Do you get it? It's a little bit complicated, maybe, don't know. Very simple when you break it down. Just know your pain point, know your audience, your target, and then work backwards on making your actual name of the group. If it's just you that you're branding, then just use your name. If it's your business that you're branding, don't actually put the business name in it, the company, the network market company, but maybe use some of the products, the weight loss, for example, makeup made easy, things like that. Okay. So if you have gotten any value from this, or you know anyone, teammates, friends, that also would get benefit from watching this, then please share the love, or comment down below, tag their names below so that they can watch it as well. And also, if you want to know how I am developing my skills, or you're not sure how everything's starting to connect, you don't know, you might be missing some information along the way and you're just not quite clear, then type the word training down below and I'll be happy to send you a boot camp that will absolutely get you on the right track to implementing all these strategies and all these elements and help your business to grow. Or you could just follow the link. All right, that is it for this evening. I want to thank you all for watching and again for all your well wishes on Get Well, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.